The world of cryptocurrency and the oceans don't seem connected at first glance. But here we are, 2023, and the blue economy meets blockchain. Imagine using crypto to fund coral reef restoration or track illegal fishing fleets. Wild, right? Ocean crypto projects are a growing trend, and for good reason. The ocean economy is projected to be worth $3 trillion by 2030. Crypto tech, like smart contracts, offers transparency for industries riddled with murky operations. Change is coming. A perfect example: tokenizing fishing quotas. Overfishing destroys ecosystems, but with blockchain, quotas can be tracked as digital assets. Transparent, accountable, and anyone can see who's catching too much. It's like putting the ocean economy on the blockchain. Pain point? Adoption. Fishermen aren't exactly the first to jump into decentralized tech. Plus, governments need to buy in for this to scale. Let's face it, crypto still scares a lot of industries, but the potential is there to make this work. Then there's something like Ocean Protocol. It's not just another crypto hype project. They're tokenizing data itself, ocean data. Fishermen, scientists, and environmentalists can securely buy and share data to help tackle issues like pollution. That's using crypto for good. A lot of this stems from a larger issue. Trillions in ocean resources go unmonitored every year. Think about illegal fishing or shipping emissions. Blockchain could effectively create a digital ledger for the ocean. You can't fix what you don't track. Now, here's what's really grabbing headlines recently. SeaCoin. It's a new cryptocurrency aimed at funding marine conservation. Want to save the turtles? Just buy, stake, or trade tokens. It's like saying save the whales, but on the blockchain. But is this really going to solve things, or is it another layer of tech that people don't use? That's where critics come in, saying why not just donate to marine nonprofits directly? It's a valid question, but crypto allows global scaling. And here's the kicker: ocean-based crypto doesn't just help the environment. It also has ROI potential. Sustainable fish farms, marine energy, coastal tourism, all billion-dollar industries that could be tokenized for investors. Yes, even profit can go green. One current pain point: gas fees. Running Ethereum-based projects can be costly. It's ironic when an ocean project trying to fight pollution is indirectly using so much energy. This is why projects are eyeing eco-friendly chains like Polygon. Pro tip: if you're considering investing in these projects, start small. Just like traditional crypto, scams exist. Do your research: white papers, teams, and real-world use cases. Don't buy in just because of a pretty website with dolphins. Here's what excites me. Blockchain's potential doesn't just stop at tracking or funding. Imagine creating digital marine parks, where ocean environments are tokenized as NFTs. People financially supporting nature preserve it, creating a win-win cycle. That's the dream.